So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an incredibly exciting and fundamental topic of a physical geography. So the interior of the earth. Have you ever wondered what lies right beneath our feet? It's not just solid rock all the way down. Today we will break down the earth layers, composition and structure in the easiest way possible. And structure in the easiest way? So let's get started. So first of all, we will see here what is physical geography. What is physical geography? Before we dig deep, let's understand what physical geography actually means. Simply put, it deals with everything we can see, the experience is physical on the earth, which we see from a naked eye. Okay, so it is mainly divided into three parts. So first part is lithosphere, that's called land and sthal. Second one is climatology, Jalvayu. Third one is oceanology, Samudra. So overall, we will see when these three meet, they support life, creating what we call the biosphere. Today, our main focus in the first part, the lithosphere and the interior of the earth. Okay, so the layer of the earth. Now we see the layer of the earth here. So if you take a slice of a earth like a piece of cake, it looks like an inverted triangle. The earth is divided into three parts or in a three layer based on the volume and depth. This one is volume, this one is depth. Okay, so first one we will see crust. Crust means bhuparpatti, surface part. So this is the topmost layer where we live. It makes up only about 1%. 1% of the earth total volume and goes down to the average depth is 34 kilometers as we see here. Now we will go in the middle part. What is middle? Mantle, Bhuprahar. Right below the crust lies the mantle. This is the massive middle layer occupying a whopping 84% to 85% of the earth volume. It goes down to about 2900 kilometers downwards. Okay, now again we will go downward. What we will see? The third one, that is the core, crowd. This is the innermost part of the earth. It makes up about 13 to 14% of the volume. The total depth from the surface to the very center of the earth is about 6371 kilometers, or roughly you can see 6400 kilometers also. Okay, now let me see the what is the purpose of this silica and aluminum. So now let's look at how the crust is divided. We have two types of crust, continental crust and oceanic crust. So first of all we see the silica and aluminum. So silica, the continental crust is mostly made up of silica and aluminum. This part is fully made up of silica and aluminum, and this part is made up of silica and magnesium. That was also called SEMA in short form. So can we see in the diagram under the mountains the crust goes as deep as 34 kilometer, where under the ocean is very thin. Ocean is very thin, this part. So what exactly is the lithosphere? We will see here what exactly is the lithosphere. Many people think the crust and the lithosphere are the same thing, but that's a misconception. The lithosphere actually includes the entire crust plus an uppermost or a solid part of a metal. Okay. Also on the side here, you can see the cycle of how landforms are made. For example, magma. Okay, here we see the magma inside the earth come out through a volcano as lava. When this lava cools down, it forms rock. It's from hard rock which eventually create landmass and land. Okay, so to wrap it up, we live on a thin crust. We live on thin crust, silica and aluminum, floating above a massive mantle with an upper dense core at the center. I hope this clear and simple visual explanation helped you understand the Earth interior perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. For more easy geography lessons, let me know in the comment. If you have any question, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.